Hey Libra, this is Liv from Ephemeris Cartomancy, and today we are going to do your love cartoscope for the second week of March. So, helpful information, guidance and support for Libra's love life and emotional body for the second week of March, please. So let's see what we have going on for you, Libra. Ooh, strong start. Let's see how it goes on. Yeah. Okay. Woo. Wow. I do love me some readings of this nature. So, Libra, you are looking solid. The second week of March is coming in strong. You are victorious. You are by far victorious. I am seeing you actually getting married. Some of you may have the actual wedding ceremony in the second week of March. I am seeing you proposing. I am seeing you getting proposed to. Some of you may be giving birth. Some of you may be getting pregnant. This is a very clear committed relationship becoming official. Vibe moving in together would seem like less than what I'm seeing here. So just moving in together would be kind of a lower stage of the kind of fulfillment I'm seeing. Sorry. I'm getting a very strong vibe of happily ever after. Very strong vibe of happily ever after. It's something one of you in the pair has been hesitating about. I'm seeing that someone is going to give you counsel. One of you may be getting a little bit of a cold feet case going on. Or there may be some issues related to actual wedding organization or proposal details or ring details or something like that. And someone is going to help you, some sort of wedding organizer, party planner, a counselor, a therapist, whatever the issue is. And you should seek help because they are going to really help the situation and help you feel better about what sort of hindrance we have here. I'm not seeing a strong, big, hulking sort of an issue here in your way. It's more like a tiny bit of a hindrance, more like. You are thinking about pragmatic details, perhaps of the wedding or of your honeymoon. You are crunching numbers. You may be adding up just how much the wedding is going to cost you. I strongly advise against it. At this point, just go with the flow, as long as you have the funds for it. Because I'm getting the vibe that you are going to see a huge total and it's gonna kind of send you reeling a little bit. This is more of an issue of material funds, which is on your mind right now. It might be related to perhaps moving in together after the wedding, or selling one of your apartments, or subleasing, or moving out, or moving into your new spouse's living situation, living arrangements. Whatever the case may be, you are going to clearly get that baby, get that wedding, get that proposal, get your happily ever after, get that home together, get your former home sold, for instance. For some of you, this might be the strongest marriage, actual marriage, actual wedding vibe I've ever gotten from the cards. So congratulations, because you are very clearly getting married. That's just like incredibly clear to me right now. Some of you are going to get together with someone you see as your soulmate, with someone you see as your better half, with someone you see as your ticket towards the happily ever after. Someone who is the partner of your dreams. This is the wedding of your dreams, the partner of your dreams, the home of your dreams. Very, very happy ending vibe. Very, very happy ending vibe. I'm loving it. Let's get some clarifiers here for you. Ooh, okay. Let's see what other messages we have for Libra. Yeah. So this is going to be a very public, very social, very in the eye of the public. So perhaps actually someone who's famous or popular as well, who you are going to be getting back together with, or getting married to. For some of you, it's gonna turn out to be a much larger wedding than you were expecting. So you may be dealing with issues here related to accommodating way more guests than you were actually counting on, or expecting, or hoping for. For others of you, this is the confirmation that this is your happily ever after. This is your divine counterpart. This is your twin flame. This is your new chance at life, your new beginning. And some of you are going to get pregnant on the honeymoon. I'm just gonna come right out and say it. I'm getting a very clear vibe of honeymoon pregnancy. So if you have the wedding planned for the second week of March and you are going on a honeymoon right after or soon after, I'm seeing pregnancy very likely in April. Very likely in April. So right after your honeymoon, however long you may take your honeymoon trip, or you are gonna find out in April that you've gotten pregnant on your honeymoon in March. So very strong vibe of that. Let's see what else we have here. For some of you, this is going to be the ending of a term of having second thoughts or doubting the wisdom of your choices. So for some of you, this is going to be the ending of a term of tossing and turning and asking yourself how things would be going, or when you would get to this point in your life. This is going to be your final transformation, I'm hearing. It is also going to be the ending of you thinking about some ex. For some of you, I'm getting that vibe as well. So some of you may have been thinking about some exes, or one particular ex because you have an impending wedding and you might have been having second thoughts because of that and getting cold feet. But I'm seeing the fact that with this final stage of pregnancy, you will be putting an end to it. Though some of you are going to have some interesting dreams, that's all I can say. Some of you may actually have the kind of a dream that is going to help you to stop thinking about someone. You may get some sort of telepathy, some telepathic message, some telepathic discussion with that ex who is going to tell you something that's gonna help you to cut the cord. For some of you, there is going to be a cord cut in a dream to some ex. I'm getting a very strong vibe of that. You will be putting a true ending to an idea, possibility, a fear of yours as well. For some of you, this is going to be the ending of a term of tossing and turning because you've been afraid that things won't go through, that things won't happen, that the ceremony won't happen, that the marriage won't happen, something of that nature. You may have been worried about your partner having second thoughts or canceling or something. This is going to be the ending of that. It's something you've hoped for, you've dreamed for, or you've dreamed about, and it is your wish come true. So I'm loving that vibe. Okay, Libra, so that was it for you for the second week of March, and I'm gonna send you much love and light, and we'll be seeing you again next week. Bye.